So I do have another track from here, okay? It's simple. The Crypto-Quebec mountain tells you. So you take your fibs, you put it there, okay? You extend it all the way up here. So it's the lowest point all the way to the highest point. And they've got it for the back or for the taste of a ration. Do we take the track of killing the answer? No, we don't have the taste yet. Look at indicator 3.0 Crypto-Quebec. You saw that it automatically tags without the fib. I have the other fibs, okay? It tags right away. Taste of a ration. That's the link that's there. Yours, it's a bit more golden. Still needs work. It's a bet in progress. When we arrive here, boy, target there. But I'm not taking the track right away, okay? If you're watching until the end of the video, I'll tell you when to take the trade. There are two ways to trade it. When it bounces back, there's a 37% to be made on it here. I'm on the 1 hour time frame, okay? 1 hour. It's taken off. Well, you have the same things. But yeah, it's the same. That's what makes you create. Even it's the second tone. Look, okay? 62%. That's spot, people. We're not playing. I'm not playing on perpetual with such volatile shitcoins. It's very dangerous to get liquidated. But a 37% and a 62% in spot, that's cool. You understand? So what'll give me the go? Well, let's start in the fib so you understand. Okay? I go here. That's the Crypto-Quebec indicator. It gives it to me. The HL up to the summit, and my 1.188 is a gain. Here I'm in the go zone, but that doesn't mean go. First thing, I'm going to get a vector. Second